Everyone assumes YouTube is just a platform designed for time pass, or gaining knowledge about a specific topic, or just watching cute animals, while the reality is way more simple. The psychology behind the YouTube algorithm is deeply connected to human attention, emotional response, and behavioral patterns. YouTube's goal is simple, which is to keep you watching as long as possible. This one single line is the foundation for the whole of YouTube's algorithm. Imagine you are watching an ASMR, cooking short-form video, and you clicked the like button after watching it whole. Now the algorithm will flag that specific video as something important. Why? Because of two important reasons. Number 1, you watched the whole video. Number 2, you clicked the like button or maybe expressed your opinion and decided to drop a "I like this video's editing" in the comments. This improved the engagement rate of the video and helped the algorithm to push it to a wider audience, hence increasing its reach. After that, it will suggest slightly similar content to you to keep you hooked on the platform so that you can stay for a few more hours on the app. Yes, you heard it right. Hours, not just minutes. The human brain keeps on consuming that similar type of content for at least an average of 2 hours to break the cycle of quitting the app. So, what did we learn from this? Just one single fact. Make your content engaging with a strong hook to begin with, so that the audience won't even realize that they used their precious time on some video about a cute kitten playing with a ball of yarn. Let's further break this down and understand in simple terms. Moreover, if you all want a detailed video on how exactly the algorithm works, please let me know through your comments. Now, moving forward, the number 1 method YouTube's algorithm uses to keep you watching is making you curious with the click. You see, people don't like not knowing things. Video titles and pictures are made to make you wonder what's inside, just like an unwrapped present makes you curious about what's inside. Let's take, for example, a video titled, "She Did This" on live TV. Now you feel like you have to click to find out. If lots of people click a video after seeing it on their homepage, YouTube shows it to more people, as simple as that. Number 2 is keeping you watching. Watch time matters. Good videos make you feel happy, surprised, or interested. When you feel strong feelings during a video, you want to keep watching. The happier you are, the longer you stay. The reason why YouTube shows your video to more people is simple. Longer watching means YouTube thinks the video is good and shares it with more people. The third method used by the algorithm is guessing what you want. Next video. You see, YouTube learns what you like by watching what you click, watch, or even pause on. It gives you more videos just like the ones you liked before. This keeps you watching one after another. Now the question is, how does Mr. Algorithm know which videos to suggest to you so that you will click immediately on that video? The answer lies in the fact that YouTube tracks your watch history, search, likes, and even how long you look at a picture before clicking. And after analyzing your watching patterns, it will suggest you similar, unavoidable content. Now, number 4 is playing with your feelings. Why you binge. Your brain loves new and emotional videos. Something that's funny, shocking, cute, or makes you angry. YouTube pushes videos that make you feel a lot because you usually watch longer. For example, heart-touching stories, hot debates, cute animal clips, satisfying or weird videos. Number 5 is how the algorithm structures its content, making you feel in control. You think you choose. YouTube shows you lots of video choices, but most are picked just for you, based on what it thinks you'll click. It feels like you pick, but in reality YouTube is nudging you to certain videos, so that it can make you stay longer on the app. For the viewers who stayed till the end, here's a bonus point, which is an important point on YouTube Shorts versus regular videos. Shorts work like TikTok. Quick, swipeable, and fast fun. Your brain gets tiny rewards, which is dopamine, every time you swipe to a new video. Shorts must catch your attention in the first 2 seconds, and they do well if people rewatch them. So, here's the list of things on what can creators do, so that your video will stand out among millions of average ones. If you make videos, remember to include these points in them. These works like magic, both on short form and regular YouTube videos. Number 1. Grab attention fast. Fun title, bright picture, good start. All can help in standing out. Number 2. Keep it interesting. Avoid boring parts. Number 3. Make people want to watch to the end using fun facts, stories, and build-up. Number 4. Ask for likes, comments, and shares. That tells YouTube your video is actually good. To put it in short and simple terms, to win on YouTube, you have to win people's minds and feelings. Be unique. Thank you all for watching, and please like and subscribe if you liked my content. Let's meet again in the next video.